What would you do if you lived in a world without light? No internet, no computers, only the silence of the dark. Most people would see a dead end. But in the middle of a scrap heap in Sierra Leone, one boy saw a beginning. With his bare hands and a mind that refused to be quiet, he turned trash into a voice that a whole nation could hear. This is the incredible true story of Kelvin Doe, the boy who became DJ Focus. A story that proves your genius isn't defined by what you have, but by what you can build with what's left behind. Get ready to witness how a spark of curiosity can light up the entire world. In the heart of Sierra Leone, in a town where the lights rarely glow, lived a boy with a mind that never turned off. Meet Kelvin Doe. While others saw junk in the streets, Kelvin saw possibilities. He saw a future waiting to be built. Electricity was a luxury. Most nights were spent in darkness, but Kelvin's curiosity was a flame that wouldn't go out. He spent his days in the rubbish digging for treasures that the world had thrown away. A broken radio, a rusty wire, a discarded battery. To Kelvin, these were the building blocks of a dream. His first mission was power. Without batteries, the town stayed silent. So Kelvin decided to make his own. He mixed acid soda and metal scraps in a rusted tin. It was dangerous, messy, and hard, but Kelvin didn't stop. Finally, a spark. A small bulb flickered to life. He had created light from what others called trash. But Kelvin wanted more than just light. He wanted a voice. He wanted to connect his people through music and news. He began building a radio station using a broken DVD player and wires he found in the dirt. At 13, Kelvin became DJ Focus. He built a transmitter, a mixer, and even a microphone from an old car part. His signal traveled through the village. Suddenly, every old radio in town began to sing with Kelvin's voice. "This is DJ Focus," he shouted. He played music, interviewed neighbors, and gave his community a reason to smile. His station became the heartbeat of the town, a voice created from nothing speaking for everyone. But his genius couldn't stay hidden forever. A traveler heard of the boy who built a station from a scrap heap. Kelvin was invited to America, from the scrap heaps of Sierra Leone to the halls of MIT, the world's greatest tech school. He showed the world's best scientists what can be done with a handful of trash and an ocean of willpower. He became the youngest person ever to participate in their visiting practitioner program. A boy with a dream had arrived. Kelvin returned home not just with knowledge, but with a promise to build a better future for his people. He taught us that focus isn't just a name, it's the ability to see the gold in the dust and the power in the struggle. Because no matter where you are born, your mind can be the greatest transmitter of change. The story of Kelvin Doe is more than just a story about a boy and his radio. It is a reminder to each and every one of us that our circumstances are not our destiny. We often wait for the perfect tools, the perfect time, or the perfect opportunity to start. But Kelvin showed us that if you have the focus, you can find everything you need in the things others have thrown away. So what is stopping you? Your mind is your greatest workshop. Your heart is your most powerful battery. Go out there, build your dream, find your voice, and let the world hear your signal. Because the world isn't changed by those who have everything, it's changed by those who give everything they have. If you could build anything with your bare hands, what would it be? Tell me in the comments.